Hi, I'm Sam Stormont. I am the co-coordinator of the RISE Coalition, and I work for Sedro Woolley School District. So the Sedro Woolley High School has been wanting to have an assembly related to substance use prevention for some time, and we had to find something that fit the criteria that was going to be part of a longer lasting strategy than just a one-time assembly. And somehow I saw Jake White's stuff for Vive18, and I showed it to Carrie and Carrie Carlton, our principal here, and she was a super fan right away. And so we had Jake come out today to Sedro Woolley, and he met with our teaching staff this morning and gave them a training session. And then we had an all-school assembly. And then we just finished up with our prevention club students, and he was teaching them ways to have fun, sober parties. So it's been an awesome day. I mean, what we really like about Vive18 is the positive energy. A lot of prevention is negative and heavy and dark, and it doesn't work. You know, it's not, we've seen lots of scare tactics before, or like really preachy, judgy, just say no type stuff. And Vive18 is not like that. It's about empowering the kids to like make their own choices, and that the main theme is having fun. And so that's something that I think our students can get behind. I would definitely recommend Vive18 for schools that are looking for a way to maybe re-energize their prevention programs. I know after COVID, we were kind of starting from scratch with a lot of our efforts. And so this was a great way to kickstart some new energy and new life into our prevention efforts here at Sedro Woolley High School and all throughout Sedro Woolley School District.